Welcome to the AIRISE SME Experiment Series. In this video, we'll explore how the Hungarian SME Premet partnered with AIRISE in the 3D surf experiment to integrate artificial intelligence into their processes.
Could you start by giving us a brief overview of your company, including the core operations and the sector in which you operate?
Premet is a custom-made medical device manufacturer. We are specialized in the manufacturing of titanium human and veterinary implant by 3D printing. We cover all procedures of the manufacturing process, design, 3D printing, heat treatment, surface treatment that includes sandblasting, acid etching, anodization, polishing, electropolishing.
Okay, thank you very much. And what were the specific challenges or pain points that led you to explore AI solutions? How did AIRISE come into the picture as a potential partner?
Premet is a custom-made medical device manufacturer. We are specialized in the manufacturing of titanium human and veterinary implant by 3D printing. We cover all procedures of the manufacturing process, design, 3D printing, heat treatment, surface treatment that includes sandblasting, acid etching, anodization, polishing, electropolishing.
Could you describe the main product or solution AIRISE helped you to implement, and what was the intended business outcome?
As Barry mentioned, we focused on the surface treatment, acid etching of the custom-made implants, and management of the etching process of custom-made implants is more challenging than that of serial-made ones, since each implant is different in size, geometry, and surface area. Therefore, it's more difficult to predict the used acid concentration and the lifetime of the acid. The goal in this project was to reduce the chemical waste while maintaining repeatability and product quality. Briefly, make the process more predictable and sustainable.
At the start of the project, what were your initial expectations from integrating AI in your product and production, in your processes and services?
We were aiming for a AI-based decision support tool for the machine operators that they can use, complementing their in-house experiences. So what we basically wanted was a simple tool that's based on very simple inputs, can give the operator a suggestion for the minimum required amount of acid to use, and also as an output to give them the resulting acid concentration that they will get after the etching process.
What have been the most significant benefits your company has experienced from the use of AI, both in terms of efficiency and overall business value?
The biggest upsides have been process predictability. We have run validation tests with the developed AI tool, and we saw that it can forecast the acid concentration within a 10% interval, which is very close. And also the other benefit was that we could, on average, reduce our acid use by 33%. And on top of these technological benefits, in terms of business value, we can really see the project enhance our reputation as an innovation-driven companies, and we can showcase that AI can do real industrial impact.
Can you share any specific examples on how AI has enhanced your operations, decision-making, or customer service?
Operationally, this has given our team a decision support tool that replaces guesswork with quantitative insights. Customers, especially in the medical field, appreciate that now we have data-backed validation for every step of our surface treatment process.
What were some of your anticipated challenges that you expected during the AI implementation, and were there any unforeseen obstacles that arose during the project?
We knew that data collection would be a challenge. Measuring acid concentration during etching is not straightforward, since relatively weak HF concentration might destroy the pH sensors. So we had to take also indirect measurements and design a reliable test matrix. We also had technical challenges with the surface quality measurements. Some of our test pieces had very curvy and complex geometries that did not allow easy measurement of surface roughness values.
How did the AIRISE team help you address these challenges, and what strategies or tools were most effective in overcoming them?
I think the technical challenges we faced were mostly due to our methods of data collection, so our internal measurements for the input training data of the AI model. Afterwards, the AIRISE team could set up the tool very efficiently, the model performed well, and we only had to do minor tweaks. I think during the project, the regular meetings with the AIRISE team and the problem-solving attitude helped a lot. We did not feel that we were left alone during the project.
Which specific services or tools provided by AIRISE were most suitable, most useful for your company, and how did this contribute to the success of the AI initiative?
So I think the entire project fell into the AIRISE service pack of operation management support at the shop floor with AI, and this AI optimization tool that was developed by Tecnalia. It became really the heart of the project to turn complex data relationship into some user-friendly interface that our engineers can operate with. And additionally, in terms of the whole project, much of the mentoring we got and the documentation templates to align with our technical goals and also with the regulatory goals in terms of the AI Act was also very useful. And it is something that is very often overlooked in other projects, and especially in the early phases.
Looking forward, what are your future expectations regarding the continued use of AI in your company, and how do you see AIRISE contributing to your long-term goals?
So the project demonstrated that AI could be used and integrated into our procedures. Therefore, use of AI will definitely remain part of our long-term strategy. The next step is to further develop the 3D Surf tool and to integrate it into our production line and daily operation. We also intend to explore how AI could be used for other surface treatment procedures and other procedures that we use. And naturally, we will also seek the potential to provide surface treatment services for other medical device manufacturers.
Has your perspective on AI changed since partnering with AIRISE, and what advice would you give to other businesses considering AI consulting services?
Fortunately, our perspective has not changed much because we had already previous projects with AI in different fields. So we knew that AI can be a useful tool. We just didn't have it yet on our shop floor operations. But now we see it as a practical and accessible tool. So our view was just our already existing view was just strengthened by this project. And the advice I would probably give is that especially for SMEs, don't give up new ideas that could be done with AI, because AI is not only for the big tech firms and large tech companies, but SMEs can also achieve these.
If you could describe your AI journey with AIRISE in one word or phrase, what would it be, and why?
Well, it's difficult to select just one word or phrase, but if I have to I would select opportunity. The project was an opportunity to test an idea, also to carry out a series of systematic experiments and better understand the links between the different variables of this etching process. It was also an opportunity for us to improve our etching process and protocol and became more confident in our activity. And well, it was also an opportunity to work with a leading research institute like Tecnalia and to be better integrated into the international innovation value chains. And finally, the project created an opportunity for further growth for Premet.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the innovative experiments of the AIRISE project. To stay updated and learn more about our journey, subscribe to our social media channels and visit our website at airise.eu. Together, let's shape the future of AI in manufacturing. This project is funded by the European Union